Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to make a simple and delicious vegetable biryani, which is my take on the popular Awadhi biryani. So let's begin. Making the biryani has a few steps. We'll start with making the brown onions. Heat sufficient amount of oil in a pan and add the onions to it. Keep the flame on moderate to high. Now all we have to do is keep a close watch on the onions while stirring in between and wait until they turn golden brown. You can add a pinch of salt to fasten the process. Once the onions begin to brown, they turn black in no time. So when you see them beginning to brown, you can reduce the flame to have better control. And when they are done, use a slotted spoon to remove the onions while draining off the excess oil. At the end, they should look like this. Moving on to the next step, making the gravy. I am reusing the pan and the oil I fried the onions in. Now switch on the flame and allow the oil to heat up. Once hot, add the whole spices and saute until fragrant. Then add the onions and again we have to fry them until golden brown like before. When the onions have browned, add the ginger garlic paste and fry until it is well mixed with the rest of the ingredients. Now add the vegetables and stir fry them in the oil for a few minutes until they turn a bit tender. I have added a bit of MSG here. You can skip it if you don't prefer. After cooking for 2-3 minutes, the vegetables are slightly tender. We now add the spice powders, chili powder, garam masala and biryani masala. Give it a stir and switch off the flame. Now add the whisked yogurt and mix very well. Put the pan back on heat and cook it for a few seconds more. Now add the vegetable stock. You can skip it altogether if you don't have it. Until now I have not added any salt as the stock has salt in it. So taste and adjust the salt accordingly. Add the water, give it a nice stir and allow the gravy to simmer for 15-20 minutes until the vegetables are almost cooked. Meanwhile, let's get the rice ready. In a pot, bring some water to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add the whole spices, rice, salt and ghee and give it a stir. Allow this to cook for 6 to 7 minutes or as per the packet instructions. Our rice should be 80 to 90% cooked. Once done, drain the rice and spread it out on a large plate for it to cool. Let's check on our gravy. Our gravy is also done. Switch off the flame. It's time for the final step, layering. Take out half the portion of the gravy into a separate bowl. Now gently spread half the rice on the remaining gravy. Do not press the rice. Now sprinkle half the brown onions, green chili, coriander and mint leaves and a teaspoon or 2 of ghee. Repeat this step with the remaining gravy and rice. Now put the pan back on heat and on a low flame leave it on dum for 6 to 7 minutes. After that, put a tawa below and let it cook on low flame for another 6 to 7 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before opening the lid. Our biryani is ready. Gently fluff up the rice and serve it as is or with some raita. Hope you give this a try and do not forget to let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.